This biker is now walking towards the driver of the car that just hit him, and this is what he did. Hello guys, I am Zorro, and today I'm going to show you wholesome videos of people who have no enemies. And I hope that this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Alright, let's start. This craftsman on the job followed the rhythm of the orchestra so as not to disturb them. Second and third place winners help lift the champion for the podium photo. The fighter that literally has no enemies. This kid knows how to solve problems. This is what happens when three polite people meet.
Want to sit inside?
Oh no, thank you.
Him.
Wait,
Thank you, Luca.
thank you. Thank you.
You can sit inside if you
Oh,
want.
thank you.
It's okay.
It's beautiful.
Bello.
Mi piace guarda.
Macchina.
Grazie.
Opponents playing rock, paper, scissors to decide who wins.
Rock, paper, scissorsing before the line. So, rock, paper, scissors. They did it. He said paper. Pocaccia said rock.
I know I have burned you once before. You can chew me up and spit me out if you don't wanna.
This is the opposite of road rage. This neighbor came in with an unusual noise complaint.
I was just gonna say, you guys got loud as shit last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite your fucking neighbor, dude. I want to party too. I got you. I got a shot for you next time. Word, I'm down here in apartment R. For real, feel free to come hit me up.
Instead of getting angry, it almost turned into a romantic moment.
מה, זה המהלך הכי קל למנצח. אני לא צוחק, הוא ממש הציל אותו מליפול על הראש. כל הכבוד למאור לב.
A lady working concert security did not recognize Lamb of God, and his response was the best.
I don't have it because I'm great. I'm a singer, so thank you for doing your job. No, don't be sorry. You're doing your job. I like you.
She didn't realize that she just set a new world record, and I love how happy their opponents were for her.
Line, I'd rather fancy it was quicker. 12:20 and the world record is gone. The trackside clock shows 12:20 and I think she's broken the world record.
Another example of the opposite of road rage. We all need a Robert Irwin in our life.
Well, g'day, and welcome back to Robert and Emily Daily Daily Vlog. Today, we're going to be talking about anger management issues. Now, this is something that Emily definitely needs to discuss. She's been having trouble for a while, just in kind of controlling those emotions, and it's okay. It's alright if you're angry, it's okay, but there's better ways to deal with it than to lash out, okay? Because see, just like that.
And this is what happens when you live your whole life without enemies. Everyone loves you. Like the video to help Emily with her anger management issues.